Today we're going to be dyeing some FDE PMAGs to red. First thing you need to do, make sure all of your PMAGs are unloaded. Get all of your supplies. Basically for us that's just one big red bottle of red dye, 2 PMAGs. This one's got some stippling on it. This one does not. We're going to see how it turns out. Next step is going to be take a stainless steel pan and stainless steel tong, spatula, something like that. All you're going to do is turn your oven on. Turn your stove on. Put on high. Get it preheating. You want to get this water nearly boiling. I think probably the best way to do it is to let it boil and then let it cool off for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is a 5-liter pot, and I think that's probably about the right size. You can fit 2 mags and some dye in there. It's about half filled right now. Alright, now that our water's cooled off just a little bit from boiling, we're going to take our RIT dye. Make sure to shake this up quite a bit beforehand. It is thick. Basically, you just want to add slightly darker, or add it until it's slightly darker than the color you're going for. It's hard to tell here under this light. Let me see if I can. There we go. Do that. Probably just add just a little bit more. Get that nice and stirred up. Kind of looks like cherry jello, but that's where we go, and these will go in. You're going to have to sink them. So I'm going to fill up. Probably just going to let this sit in here for a minute or two. Alright, so now I've got the color that I want, which is this nice dark red. I'm going to transfer this whole thing over, and it's going to go into the sink. Once you've got it in the sink, you're going to want to get some cool water running. Like that. And then try to lift them both out. Same time to hopefully get roughly the same color and get them rinsing off. So this will take a few minutes. Just go ahead and keep. Alright, so now we've got them all dried off and ready to go. I think they turned out pretty well. You'll see that the inside is a slightly different color. That's the normal green. This is a different kind of plastic. It does not get dyed. So that's basically it. I would recommend that you open these up, pull the springs out, and dry them, make sure they're all good. But other than that, you're pretty much ready to go. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.